Alrighty. Yeah, we will, I guess, wait a little bit. It has been, I feel like about 4, maybe 5, but most likely 4 days since I've actually uploaded a video I've streamed. And I did one last night, but I just wasn't happy with it, I guess. I didn't upload it. But it was about the past, the present, the future. As far as the market goes and whatnot. And you know, I also have to make sure, like, I can't just give out all the jewels, you know, that wouldn't be fair to my donated members, of course. And so, you know, no, I tell them, you know, what I'm thinking or what I'm doing. But if we go back the past 4 or 5 days, we've been very successful. We've been hitting tops and hitting bottoms as far as entries and exits. Today, I flip-flopped. I was short, and then long, and then I exited out of it, and then I was long again for small, like tiny little movements, nothing major. That's how it goes. So I do have a little long right now because the trend is up, and you know, I'll always say, like the time where we make money, the best time to make money is not when you're guessing. Like right now, my trade is small because it is a guess. Everyone that's trading right now is guessing. But when you have a window, and when you have a window, there is no guessing. You know what's going to happen next. And that's why, let me try to get out of danger here for a second. We actually were we were in like this kind of small. We've had some windows for the past 4 or 5 days. Really, I've just been nailing what's happened next. Showing my guys the chart. I'm like, it's gonna go down. Boom, it goes down. Okay, now it's gonna go up. Boom, it goes up. You know, and that's really all you need. And now we're kind of entering odd times. The video that I recorded, what I said was, I'm like shorting, and I think we have a possibility to go up to 4,200. And everyone keeps talking about how we're running out of steam, which is true. But we've been talking about, people have been talking about running out of steam for quite some time. So yeah, we'll just see what, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But I too feel like there'll be a move down, but I also feel that like we can just candle up to 4,200 real easily. If the chart showed it last night, was what I was going to show. I still have the video, but I didn't release it. We won our bet tonight, so that's good. At the end of the day, either way, all of these institutions are sinking their tentacles into crypto things, and with positive and negative news, the price not reacting, tiseth be a sign that the price is low. But you know, I just want a real nice triangle window where we can knock 3 or 4 like good $150, $100 moves. It just goes bang, 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 bang. Not this $50 shit. And to me, that's actual professional trading. You know, if when you take those opportunities where it's not even a guess, it's a fact. I would say, when was the last time there was I believe there was a trade last week, and I think I YouTubed about it, at least streamed about it. But I'm sure I YouTubed it. It's this. It will do this next. And it was like high comp. What was the high comp? It was a short, I think, from 4K, wasn't it? Yeah, it was. Before this one. This is like the 3rd or 4th time like we've tapped. But also, the biggest dumps in crypto happen when it's on an upward trend, when it's Chinese chonging. Right now we're not Chinese chonging, but it just creeps up and people get bullish and then bah, it fucking cracks. And so that is what shorters are hoping for, is that Chinese crack. And I see how it's possible, I believe, on the daily chart. There is a hair wick, and then it's almost like a stiletto. It forms a stiletto, but the stiletto is straight. It's a did it in the video that I recorded that I didn't show. It looks like a curve. It can curve. It's a stiletto. So the Chinese crack. Yeah, the biggest moves happen downwards when it's going up. And you know, as a people, we want that as Bitcoin people, even the people that are longing, so as a sign that there's life. If there's a big move down to 3,500, it's yay, or 3,200, oh. If it goes to 3,200, I will long. 3,100, long. And catch that Wu-Tang. That would be a sick pattern on the Crypto Face channel. And sometimes we forget, but we have had some sick calls, for sure. For sure. Where we knew what was going to happen, and other people didn't. Maybe a couple other people do. You know, I can't say no one else did, but and I feel like it's been a little while. It hasn't been as frequent. It's because these moves have been small, relatively speaking. You know what I was thinking? I was thinking I should do some videos on E-Trade. Do some like E-Trade tutorials. I'm wondering if I should expand my channel into trading financial markets rather than just crypto. I think I could help a lot of people. I'm pretty sure there's more of those people than there are people into crypto. So in that sense, it would be a wise decision. I'll always be Crypto Face and wear a mask. This guy's pretty tonight. there's just like rows and rows of long clouds, and then the moon is full. But I know I need to do a video because that's what people see. There's only 40, 35 people watching this stream, you know? So I guess that's pretty much it. I think I'm going to try to get motivated to actually do a video. But for those of you that are watching, thank you. And yeah, we're pretty much home. So another 6